Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Open your device and visit the App Store or Google Play to download Grammarly. Tap Install and wait until the icon appears on your home screen. Launch Grammarly and choose Sign up with email or Continue with Google. Set a secure password and verify your email when prompted by the app. Enable optional premium trials if you want advanced features like tone suggestions. Now, you are ready to use Grammarly across mobile and web platforms right away. Sign in on desktop to sync suggestions and custom dictionary automatically. Open the Grammarly app and select Keyboard from the Settings menu for typing corrections. Follow on-screen prompts to allow full access and grant necessary language permissions. Switch to the Grammarly keyboard in System Settings when the installation completes successfully. Use the in-app editor to paste writing or start a new document for detailed feedback. Enable real-time suggestions and autocorrect to see grammar fixes as you type. Adjust language preferences, tone suggestions, and goal settings for clarity and formality. You can switch back anytime from system keyboard settings on your device. Install the Grammarly browser extension to check email, documents, and social posts automatically. Use the in-app plagiarism checker and advanced suggestions if you subscribe to Premium. Review suggestions by clicking highlighted text and accept or ignore each correction. Download polished text or copy corrected content into Google Docs, Word, or email drafts. Customize the personal dictionary and set writing goals like clarity, engagement, and delivery. Check monthly usage stats to track edits, word counts, and improvement over time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.